all of this has been centered terrestrially here on Earth. But as new technologies take shape, and as commentaries from those like Elon Musk talk about settlements on Mars, Rocket Lab is planning a private mission to Venus. There is going to be increased considerations that kind of extend beyond what NASA's already doing in terms of weather patterns on other celestial bodies. And I just wonder, at least in terms of, real forward-looking kind of commentary. And I know this doesn't factor into your business plan right now, but I'd like to kind of get a sense of, like, when we hear terms like lunar economy and you hear things like Martian settlements and you hear what Peter Beck is doing at Rocket Lab, does that sort of kickstart some gears turning in your own mind?
I think we don't have any intentions of getting into deep space anytime soon. I would say though that the notion of private companies, again, working with government, but taking a much more substantial role in sort of expanding the reach of science, not just like solving for a very specific commercial use case, is fascinating. And I think really opens up a lot of opportunities. And I think we're going to see that in the remote sensing world, in the earth sciences world as well. Sort of private companies doing things that maybe are more on the edge of the science side. They're interesting for NASA from an exploration standpoint, but they can also bring about really big, businesses, and that can happen not just on Earth, but let's start with Earth.